Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay children, in our previous class we have learned double letter words, right? So, two letters combined to give same sound, right children? So, today in this class we are going to learn consonant blends. Okay children, consonant blend are two consonants together but each letter retains its sound. Okay, consonant blend are two consonants together but each letter retains its sound. For example, bl, b, l, two different consonant retains its sound together, right? Like b, l, bl. You still hear the sound of b and l, okay? And cr, c, r. You can hear the sound of c and r in cr, c, r. Okay, so today we are going to learn some words on the sound of sh. Okay, here consonant blends on sh. Okay children, sh. You know children, the sound of s comes as s and h, here s, sh combined and gives the sound of sh. Okay, let us see some words how the sound of sh pronounced. Okay, see here, sheep, 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 sheep. Okay, sheep, sheep. Okay, next, ship, 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 ship. Can you hear the sound of sh children? Sh, ship, ip, ship. Okay, shelf, 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 share, 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 shell, 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 shoe, shoe. Okay children, can you see how I am pronouncing sh in the words? shirt, 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 shark, 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 sharp, 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 show, 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 shout, 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 short, short. Okay, let's read once again. Sheep, ship, shell, share, shell, shoe, shirt, shark, sharp, show, shout, short. Okay children, did you understand how to pronounce sh words? Thank you.